Right, how are we YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well and happy. We have here Porrick's Cobra 200 GTL-DX night watch, but the night watch doesn't work, which is very common with these. The electroluminescence driver, or the actual electroluminescence stuff that's behind the faceplate, one or the other stops working, and that's the end of that. So this came here with a few other radios from Porrick. What the main complaint was with this was that it had a bulb in the meter that somebody had put in, this lad here, and it was very dim. So he asked me if we could put an LED in there, which we did. Now the way these are done, the meter's very stupid the way it's done in these. Behind the meter, just there where you see me tracing with the end of the biro, there's a slot that size, and that's all you have available for the light to get out, whereas most other meters you're able to illuminate the whole insert. So as you can see there, it's a little dark at the top, but it's about 6 or 7 times brighter than it was when it came here. You know, kind of a little dark around the top of the signal scale, but look, it's a lot brighter than it was. So we went through it then, and we found that it was 6 kcs low on frequency. So we went through the entire alignment procedure to get it bang on the way it should be, which it is now. We went through the entire alignment procedure and checked everything. So we're on the dummy load here. We're on AM, and we're on low power. So let's see, we'll just change the scale here. It's on the 15 watt scale. So a 5 watt carrier and swings to 15. We'll go to the high power now. 25 watts. 1, 2. About 60 watts there. So we turn it back to low power. We'll go to USB. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go to the lower scale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then we'll go to high power. Yeah, high power button's in there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Hello. So it whistles up to about 100 watts there. Lower side band. And FM. Now low power is 5 watts. High power 25 watts. So this is the great big dirty heat sink on the bottom. You can see it there. So we went through all of that to make sure everything's working okay. We have a Roger beep, sideband. Yeah, Roger beep is fine. The 10 kc button on these does nothing, because once you modify them to work on 11 meters, that no longer does anything. And then we have noise blanker. Let's see. Yeah, does a little bit. Have it on the aerial there now, just on the tank whip. We'll change it over to the big aerial now in a minute, but yeah, so we took all the knobs off, we dunked them into the ultrasonic cleaner, and went through them all, gave them a good clean, and yeah, so came out nice. So as I said, we secret sauced it and put it all back together after giving it a good clean and a good lick and a polish and the whole lot. So it came out quite well. So that's another one done, and another one ready for out the door. So we will get you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and we'll get you again in the next one. Bye bye.